Alright, got the GL. I already opened the tape cassette, and I took the battery out. That's always a good idea when you're cleaning your heads. And the main things that you want to clean in here, they're going to be hard to see. See if I can get them to focus. Just all the main components in there. Right there, inside, you'll see like it's kind of circle shaped. It's the thing right there. That's the main video head. Yeah, but next to it there are a couple other metal components that you just clean. Anything that has silver metal on it, and that the tape's going to be running through. So, to clean mine, right here, I got my little clean up rubbing alcohol that I carry around in case my heads get dirty. It's just rubbing alcohol, and a box of cotton swabs. So, take a cotton swab, open up the alcohol. Dip it in, shake it off, and it's going to be hard to see, definitely, but just move it around the video head in there, just like I'm doing. And the video head in there, it's a big like cylinder, you'll see it spins around, so you'll just need to like keep spinning it and cleaning it. And all the other metal components in there, there's 2 prongs in the back, and yeah, just keep spinning that little metal rotating head and get enough rubbing alcohol on it, and all the other metal components down in there. I'd say do this in good sufficient light too. Just keep spinning it and cleaning it, clean the other parts, and yeah, that's really all you have to do to clean your video heads. And after, just throw out the Q-tip, close your alcohol, and I like to just you smell the alcohol in there, just blow it off a little bit, and then you have to wait about 15 to 20 minutes for it to dry, or it won't be able to read your tapes. And yeah, good luck cleaning your heads if you have to.